Hey everyone, what's up? My name's Chrome, also known as Jacob. I'm one of the co-founders at Collective Finance, and I'm here today to walk through how you can gain exposure and earn yield on gold. Pretty easy. We're going to start off by going to rbdex.fi and clicking on Swap Now. Here you're going to want to get yourself some USDT. Luckily, we already have some here. Then the next thing you want to do is go to the Trade tab and go to Liquidity. Now here you're going to click on the Add Liquidity and select USDT and CGLD, and again, click on the Add Liquidity. Now we're going to be zapping in solely just USDT. So here you're going to make sure you just have this one box selected. I'm going to click on my balance to put all of this in. And now we're going to enable USDT. Pretty simple. This should be pretty quick. I'm just going to do max because that's what I'm spending. Approve. Immediate. Awesome. Now just going to click on supply. So it's going to show you some details on what's kind of happening with the transaction. Basically, it's going to buy some CGLD and create liquidity. Confirm. And then again, you're going to want to confirm the transaction in MetaMask. All done, super quick again. Now you can add the ARX LP to MetaMask in case you don't have it. I already do, but I'll do it again just in case. So add the token. Now I can make sure that I can actually see my balance. Now that you have the liquidity, what you're going to want to go do is head on to the Farm tab, and to make it easy to find a liquidity pair, you can go to the latest. Now you can see CGLD USDT 80% APR. It's pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and enable the contract. I'm going to be using the max limit because that's how much I'm going to be entering in, and go ahead and approve the transaction. Once confirmed, you can go ahead and click on the Stake LP button and enter in. For me, it's going to be the max amount. I'm going to go ahead and click that and confirm. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask, and you're all good to go. Now you're starting to gain exposure and earn yield on gold. What you're going to want to do to withdraw or kind of see the LP is actually enable this contract again and make sure you give it up to the max limit of what you put in. So to make it simple for me, I'm just going to put in 1 because I put in a lot less than 1 whole LP. Click that and approve. Now I can see my position. I can go ahead and remove it. And there you are. You're now ready to go, earning yield on gold. Now, another way you can go ahead and do this is with the ARX token itself, and that is the native token of RBDEX. So you go ahead and click on the Earn tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And here you'll see Earn CGLD by staking ARX. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I luckily have a little bit of ARX in my wallet here, so we're going to enable the contract. Going to put in the max because that's what I'm putting in. Prove that. Awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and stake. I'm going to use the max that I have, so I'm going to click on max and click on confirm. Go ahead, confirm that. There we are. Now again, just like with the LP, you're going to want to enable the contract so that you can see your balance and then withdraw it. So I know I put in around 3 ARX, so I'm just going to do 4. Click that and approve. Awesome. So now I can see I have 3.3 ARX staked, and it's now earning me CGLD. Hopefully that helps everybody. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.